Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the effects volume in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here select the Audio tab. Look for Effects Volume. This gauge adjusts the volume level of game's sound effects. This impacts things like creatures, footsteps, weapons, etc. As you can see, you can adjust this on this gauge between 0 and 100%, with 0 of course being muted, 100% being as high as it goes. Adjust it to your liking. I will set it to something like 50, of course you do you. Once you are done, press the close button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.